STEAM series, and in today's video I'll be showing you another simple science experiment. And if you guys are new to my channel, scroll down there and smash the subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the thumbs up too! For this experiment, you'll be needing toothpicks. You don't need this much, you only need 5. A syringe, and a small plate. Okay, first things first, what you're gonna have to do is grab 5 toothpicks. That's 4, and then 5. Okay. Now, with these 5 toothpicks, what you're gonna do is you can grab one and break it, but don't break it all the way. So try to be exact right in the middle. Just break it there slightly, like that. So it shouldn't be fully broken, just be like a little bit from breaking all the way. Let's do that for every single one. Whoa, I was even more close. And the last one. There we go. Now that we got that, let's arrange it in a shape of a star, like that. And once you got that, let's take our syringe, slowly start putting drops in the middle. And as you can see, all of it is slowly moving together, and it is forming a... Can I keep going? You slowly keep putting it like that. You get a full star. As you saw, the toothpicks automatically moved closer together. And that is amazing. You know why? What happened was surface tension. And if you guys want to learn more about surface tension, go down in the descriptions below and I have multiple videos about surface tension. I've explained it in so many different ways, and you can see it using so many different experiments. I have so many cool ones too, and one of them can actually use to form a magic trick. Be sure to watch them. Okay then, that'll be it for today. See you later. Bye-bye.